Learn the professional storyboarding pipeline that takes your creative vision to the final cut. Hey there, I'm Roger Hom, an art director. Having worked in advertising and film, I'll teach you the skills needed to create cinematic storyboards. Storyboard drawing doesn't have to be complex. We'll begin by focusing on shape and composition to keep your story moving forward. Next, you'll develop a director's eye to understand camera setups and staging, to make your artistic vision clearer. Finally, we'll go over making design decisions that combine visual narrative and practical production. Great storyboarding is the key to making your ideas bounce from page to screen. So let's kickstart your visual storytelling journey today. I'm Roger Hom, an art director, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.